This another testimonial. Um, yeah, so yesterday we talked about what strategies to be with a fuckboy in or a player. The kids are calling it something different these days. And I recognized that I was dating one. She's been open and honest with that. So I went on a date with her last night, and I was able to be with her and not in the future. And so when I was
Yeah.
present, things unfolded so like beautifully. They flowed very nicely. And I recognize and realize that it's about this present moment, not what happens in the future. And then this morning, I was able to be with myself and to give myself self empathy and compassion as the old jackals started coming back up of you don't have enough or there's too much, and recognizing that I do, and was able to work through that this morning. So um yeah, the withing way.
And I just want to check with you that what you're saying is that the coaching call that we had, that 10 minutes or whatever it was that we were together,
Yes.
that allowed you to make that shift or
There,
encouraged you to?
yeah, so there was the coaching call, and then I spoke with another friend of mine who has been exposed to NVC in the Withing Way, and he also. So basically, I was with other people yesterday
Uh,
talking about what are my needs and what are strategies to effectively deal with the situation, and yeah, so it all came together.
Yay. Thank you for letting us know that, Jonathan.
Welcome. And I just want to say thank you for like going there, being open. That's a real world situation that many people deal with, and I also think it might go viral, so I'm excited.
Especially with this particular part added on to it.
It
Here's the
could, yes.
situation. Here's the result in one day. Immediate, simple, powerful. Woo! I like this start to this call. Um, thank you, Jonathan. I'm gonna stop this recording now.
Okay.